Here I have POCO M5, and today I'm going to show you how to change picture resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. So basically, like on this device you have only two different resolutions. You have just like normal photo resolution, which you can access just in photo mode, and you have super high resolution 50 megapixels camera, 50 megapixels ultra HD mode here, which you can access in more section. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.